All right, it's your boy, the MFG. I'm the Student Experience Ambassador here in Cincinnati at CBT Experience. And I got my dogs. What school y'all from?
Reading.
Tell me a little bit about what y'all saw today. Did you like it? Were you feeling it? Was it something new? You know what I'm saying? Was it things you've seen before?
Hey, this convention was lit. I had a whole bunch of career explorations we could go look at. A lot of things that I'm interested in and I'm looking to pursue. So it's a great opportunity though.
Before you got here today, did you love MFG?
I had no idea what it was, to be honest.
But you love it now, though, huh?
Yes, sir.
Literally, my favorite thing was just walking through these doors and experiencing everything.
Yeah.
I learned a whole bunch of new stuff here today.
From the moment we walked in.
But I need y'all help right now. I need to see some hands raised if you like money. Who likes money? Put your hand in the air. Okay, keep them up if you know that you're gonna get some money in life. If you're for sure you're gonna make a nice living, you're gonna make some money, you're gonna have the life that you dream of. Keep them hands up and you know exactly right now how you're gonna do it. So I was in your same position, had no idea what to do. This is a good idea to do this, you should go in that direction. They were still trying to figure it out themselves, right? And I was tired of getting locked up. I was tired of going to jail, getting back out, still not having an idea what I'm gonna do. Seeing all my friends in school, they don't have an idea what to do, and we're all just stuck, right? Until something changed my life, and that something is in this building right now with you all. So anybody that doesn't have an idea how they're gonna get that money in their dream life, hold on real quick. I'm gonna tell you how I went from a 2-time teenage felon to a White House consultant, a Pentagon consultant, a TV show, standing on stages like this with y'all, in a world tour that I go on talking to high school kids, middle school kids, job seekers, and helping them connect with careers of the future, the ones that are right outside this door. But before I give you the blueprint, I want y'all to holler at my friend, Meaghan Ziemba. Y'all give it up for Meaghan real quick.
How y'all doing? I was on a different path, so my parents were like, you gotta go to college right after high school. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I had a guidance counselor on my back saying, hey, you do well in English, so maybe you should become a college professor or do something in marketing, which didn't really sound that exciting for me. So instead of going to class, I did some other things, found out I was pregnant at 19 and had to do the whole single mom thing. It wasn't until I transferred schools to Milwaukee that I learned about technical writing. I was able to interview the designers and the makers and the engineers of the world, and I got an understanding of how they were getting all these ideas to make things that we use on a regular basis. I found out a lot about manufacturing. I didn't even know some of these opportunities existed until I became a writer for that trade publication. And I kind of felt gypped because I like to make things, but the way that we were representing this industry wasn't really how I got to know about manufacturing. So one of my goals is, as a writer, I try to tell as many stories as I possibly can so that you guys can get a better picture than what I got when I was your age about what opportunities are available in this space.
What I want to make clear is she was a technical writer, right? I got in with no skills. I had no idea what to do, and I worked my way up from a machine to doing robotics, to doing 3D design, 3D printing, all of these different things. And what I want you to know right now is no matter what you like, no matter what you into, no matter what you don't even know that you're into, I didn't know that I like robots, right? Because I never seen one. But there's a position in manufacturing for you.
So I got a question. Who in here likes making things? There's a place for you. Who likes to design things? There's a place for you. Who likes to braid things? But who likes to do their nails? There's a place for you. There's a place for nail technicians in manufacturing, believe it or not. There's place for nail technicians in welding, believe it or not. Like, welding is getting taken over by women right now. It's awesome. And they have better balance, they have smaller hands, they're just better welders overall. So you can make good money on that. Who likes to lead and who's a visionary? Don't be shy, raise your hand, own that. There's a place for you. Who wants to be an entrepreneur and own their own business? There's a place for you in engineering and manufacturing.
Quick question for y'all. What did y'all think about what you're seeing here today and what you heard about manufacturing? And you can be honest.
I think a lot of people have really great ideas that I'd never heard about before.
I love that. What is your favorite thing that you saw today?
It'd be this robot arm right here.
This robot arm right here? Do you see yourself doing a job like this or a career like this?
Yes.
What would you do if you had one of these robots? What's the first thing you would do with it?
Use it for reality or the disabled.
Yep.
Can't believe you just said that. That's awesome of you, bro.
We're not anti-college. There's not a straightforward path in life to success. So know that right now. The success is gonna look like this as long as you keep going forward. How many people are juniors out here? Juniors. Y'all got 18 to 24 months to figure it out, right? It might not seem like a long time. It's gonna go by so fast, dog, right? Next thing you'll be ready for graduation. And then right after that, you're gonna be having to make a decision that's gonna change your life. And that decision doesn't have to be what people are telling you and what people are pushing you into, right? It can be your own choice, right? You can make your own pathway, and this is one of the quickest ways to do it. 18 months can mean a certification that gets you paid $24 to $30 an hour starting off. Another 18 months to stack another certification on top of that. That adds another $10 to $15 an hour to your paycheck, to your bottom line. This is all without 4-year college debt.
I know all of y'all have like a cell phone. There are so many components in your phone that these engineers came up with to make our lives easier.
So if you got your phone on you, pull it out right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to download an app called LinkedIn, okay? That is gonna be your first doorway to the professional life that you wanna live. And this is what you're gonna do when you're walking around here. You're gonna see these companies, you're gonna look them up on your LinkedIn, okay? You're gonna add people from these companies, from these schools, and you're gonna start looking into them right now. You're gonna start asking them questions. The second thing that you're gonna do is when you get that app, you ain't gotta do it right now, but you're gonna add myself, Drew Crowe, my name right there. I'm gonna be your first friend. Meaghan Ziemba is gonna be your second friend. And we're gonna open up our network to you all. So any of our connections become your connections, okay? When you're ready to take the next step, when you're ready to say, hey, I want to get in the field, when you're ready to say, I'm looking into these careers, hit us on LinkedIn, okay? We'll give you the answer. We'll connect you with people in our network. We'll do our best to get you in the places that you need to be. But this is where it starts. Now, you still got your phone out. Pull up the camera. Hold it up high. If it's in selfie mode, turn it around. We don't want to see you. Take a picture. Take another one. This is your ticket to my network. You tag me and Meaghan in that picture and you post it. So we're gonna be your worst friend. We're gonna help you build your network, and we're gonna help you connect with people and companies and opportunities like you're gonna see right outside in just a second.
Try something out and happen to not like it, you can always change your mind and pursue something else. There's so many people here that need you as workers that you have the upper hand right now, today.
Your birthday, right? So when you go out there, you're a prize. We came to the celebration. Make sure that they treat you like that. Make sure you have that in your mind, okay? Your birthday today. And one more thing I want to do before we get out here and spread love and find our new career passion and pathways, I want everybody to stand up for because that's what brought us in this building. That's what changed my life. That's gonna be the thing that can definitely change you all's life or get you on the weight step bag that we're talking about. We all want that dream life. This is how you start doing it right now. Okay, I want the people at the end of that hallway to hear the new leaders of the American manufacturing renaissance that we're in right now. Y'all are about to take their jobs one day. You all are about to be the people that are running buildings like this and companies like you see outside. So say it with your chest. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm talking about take that same energy outside and go get you a bag in a career, baby. Thank y'all.
How y'all doing? Good. What all did y'all look at yet? This y'all first thing?
No, we look at
These ones over here? What would y'all do with a robot like that?
a lot of things.
A lot of things you could do, right? Into a job right now and they have robots. Would you feel like they trying to take your job or trying to make it easy? Make it what? Easy. They're taking the jobs, man. They're making it easy and they're not afraid of it. They want to work with robots. MFG, man. Come on down. Get a bag.